All right, happy Friday. I hope this week the workload was about right for you. Let me know how that's going. You guys are doing a tremendous job of turning your work in. I think people might be turning their work in more with this distance learning than when they didn't have distance learning. Anyway, I hope it's working out for you, but I think you're doing a great job. Let's see. The Inca, Rise and Fall of the Inca Empire. This is a TED Ed video that describes the beginning all the way to the end of the Incas in about 5 minutes with some really cool animation and graphics. The question that we're going to work on today, when you watch this, I just put in one question because I want you to focus on this. Describe several factors that led to the weakening and eventually to the end of the Inca Empire. So while you're watching the video, take out a sheet of paper or something to take some notes on what weakened the empire and eventually knocked it out. I mean, you could say it was the Spanish, but they had a lot of problems going on their own, directly militarily with the Spanish, got the diseases and so on, all of that at the same time. So take some notes on that when you watch this video and then submit the video to the weekly assignment. Okay? And I'm curious what you thought about yesterday with the that city of Machu Picchu with the stonework. That's amazing with those gigantic. So how do they move that with no power tools, no metal tools? And then the Quipu also keeping track because they had the runners that would run across their empire. Remember, there's no phones to communicate. You had to send things long distances, and they had no written system to write it down. So they use those quipus to keep track of things. Pretty fascinating. All right. So hope you've had a good week. Remember, just submit this to me. If you did any artwork, turn it in over at the Creative Corner. Some people have turned in some good stuff. And check out that drawing lesson too if you're kind of bored or have something. All right. Also, I've just about run out of all the shows I've been watching. If you've got any suggestions, send me a little message here on the Google Canvas emailer thing. I need a new show that's worth watching. I think I've watched them all. Feels like it. Anyway, take care. Hope you're doing great, and have a good weekend.